Want to unlock one of the most reliable chart patterns in trading? Stick around as we break down triangle patterns and how they can skyrocket your profits. What are triangle patterns? All right, traders, let's talk about one of the most powerful chart formations you can spot, triangle patterns. These are essential for any trader looking to capitalize on market moves. There are three main types of triangle patterns: ascending, descending, and symmetrical. Let's break them down. Ascending triangles have a flat top with rising bottoms. This indicates buyers are in control, pushing price higher, and we expect a breakout to the upside. Descending triangles have a flat bottom with falling tops. This shows sellers are in control, and we anticipate a breakout to the downside. Symmetrical triangles have converging trend lines, with both buyers and sellers in a battle. The breakout could go in either direction, but it's usually sharp and powerful. Triangles. They're not just shapes you learned about in school. They're powerful tools that traders rely on to predict market moves. Whether you're new to trading or looking to sharpen your skills, understanding triangle patterns is a game changer. These patterns act like a sneak peek into what the market might do next, giving traders an edge when it comes to spotting opportunities. Whether it's an ascending triangle signaling a potential bullish breakout or a descending triangle hinting at a bearish drop, these patterns can help you anticipate market moves like a pro. If you're serious about improving your trading game and want to turn these patterns into profits, then stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to confidently spot and trade these setups. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the world of triangle patterns. Let's break it down step by step. First, spot the pattern. Look for clear signs, lower highs and higher lows forming a symmetrical triangle, or flat tops with rising lows in an ascending triangle. Next, the magic moment. The breakout. Don't get trigger happy here. Wait for the price to breach the triangle's upper or lower trend line. This is where the action happens. Pro tip, always wait for volume confirmation. When the breakout happens, you should see a noticeable spike in volume. That's your green light. Here's how to execute the trade. Entry point. Enter the trade right after the breakout is confirmed. Stop loss. Protect yourself by placing a stop loss just outside the triangle on the opposite side of the breakout. Before we jump into an example, let's cover some common mistakes traders make with triangle patterns. Mistake number 1, jumping in too early. It's tempting, but don't trade before the breakout. Patience pays. Mistake number 2, skipping stop losses. Risk management isn't optional. Always use a stop loss to protect your capital. Mistake number 3, ignoring volume. A breakout without a volume spike? That's a red flag for a potential fake out. Let's break down the ascending triangle pattern, a favorite among traders for spotting potential breakouts. This pattern is characterized by a horizontal resistance level and an ascending trend line of support. Here, we see the price consistently testing this resistance level. The market struggles to break above it, but notice something interesting. Each time the price pulls back, the lows get higher. This tells us buyers are stepping in with more confidence, gradually pushing the price upward. As the price squeezes into this triangle, pressure builds. And once that resistance finally breaks, price breaking above resistance with high volume. Boom! We often see a sharp breakout to the upside, optional statistic overlay. Statistically, ascending triangles break upwards about 70% of the time in a bullish market. But remember, volume confirmation is key. Notice the spike in volume during the breakout? That's a sign of strong buying momentum backing the move. To summarize, the ascending triangle is your clue for a potential bullish breakout. But always manage your risk, because as traders, we know nothing is guaranteed. A descending triangle is a technical chart pattern that signals a potential breakout to the downside. It's characterized by a flat support level and a series of lower highs forming the triangle's descending trend line. Identify the pattern. Look for a horizontal line at the base of the triangle where the price consistently bounces off. Notice how each rally peaks lower than the last, forming a descending trend line. Here's the trick. The more touches on the support and resistance levels, the stronger the pattern becomes. Key characteristics. Volume behavior. During the formation, trading volume often decreases, signaling a period of consolidation. A sharp increase in volume during the breakout confirms the move. When price finally breaks below the support line, you'll see a surge in volume. This is your signal. 1. Enter the trade after the price closes below the support line. 2. Place your stop loss just above the descending trend line for protection. 3. Measure the height of the triangle and project it downward from the breakout point to estimate your target. And that's how you master descending triangles. Practice spotting this pattern, and soon you'll be timing those bearish breakouts like a pro. Let's break down the symmetrical triangle pattern, a powerful indicator of potential breakouts in both bullish and bearish markets. This pattern is formed by two converging trend lines, one descending and the other ascending, creating a triangle that gets narrower over time. Here, we see the price oscillating between these trend lines, forming lower highs and higher lows. This indicates that both buyers and sellers are battling for control, and neither side has the upper hand. Yet. As the triangle tightens, price action becomes more compressed, signaling that a breakout is on the horizon. Now here's the key, the breakout direction. Symmetrical triangles are neutral patterns, meaning the breakout can occur either upward or downward. Statistically, the breakout direction often aligns with the prevailing trend, but volume confirmation is critical. Notice how, during the breakout, there's a surge in volume? This shows strong conviction behind the move. To summarize, the symmetrical triangle is a versatile pattern to watch for breakout opportunities. But as always, manage your risk wisely, because in trading, no pattern guarantees success. And there you have it, 3 powerful triangle patterns every trader should know: the ascending triangle, descending triangle, and symmetrical triangle. Each one tells a unique story about the market, whether it's building bullish momentum, signaling bearish pressure, or gearing up for a breakout in either direction. Remember, these patterns are tools, not guarantees. Combine them with volume analysis, trend confirmation, and proper risk management to improve your trading edge. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable trading insights. Until next time, stay sharp and trade smart.